What's up, y'all? So as you can tell, the birds, I don't know if it's the same bird or what, but this is my other flower, and they done started building a nest up in here too. So what am I gonna do, y'all? What should I do? To be honest, I really don't want to go through that whole ordeal again, because those birds were so hungry last time, and I don't like messing with nature. Let me show y'all how this thing looks when I take it down. Alright, took the plant down, and she done started doing her thing. I'm not gonna touch it. Let's see. This gotta be a different type of... Oh snap, y'all, she done already put an egg in there. Y'all, these birds just be taking over, you feel me? They be taking over. So I ain't gonna mess with it or whatever. It's definitely the same type of bird, because it's the same type of egg. And it's one egg in there. Let me see. I'm trying to zoom in so y'all can really see it. It's not focusing like I wanted to. But yeah. So I'm not gonna mess with it. But I am gonna give my plant a little drink of water though around here. They not finna kill my plant. I almost killed the other one. So only thing is, this nest is deep in there, but it's like, it's not as open. So yeah, I guess it's their season for laying eggs. Leave it in the comments below, y'all. What should I do? What should I do? What shall I do? Should I feed this set right here? Now, mind you, I don't know if she's going to lay some more eggs, because last time when we discovered those eggs, it was 4 at first, and then they laid another egg, which made it 5. So, I really like my flower. This is my favorite color. It's like a fuchsia color. This is my all-time favorite color. So, I want these plants to last me a while. These are very resilient plants. So, let me show you my other plant. The one that had the first nest in it. Oh boy, I tell you, my kids gonna trip out when they see this. Alright, so this is the first flower that I had the whole situation go down in with the first nest or whatever. And yeah, it's bouncing back pretty good. I almost lost this plant. And here's the one with a nest in it. So let me give these guys a drink. For real, for real. They looking a little sad. I haven't been out here to water these plants in a couple of days. You guys, I have been collecting rainwater in this old kiddie pool. And that's just because sometimes we get really, really dry weather or whatever. And I don't have like an irrigation system. This is what I'm working with. This is real gardening. So I caught some rainwater because rainwater is good. I gotta pick up that trash too. But anyway, so I'm gonna grab this. Ooh, it's heavy, y'all. Hold up. So I'm gonna give this one a drink. This is the one that's free. These plants have to be watered, y'all, because if they don't, they'll start looking sad. So I like to water these, like, I like to go around like 2 or 3 times, because the water has to soak through. And if it ain't leaking out the bottom, then you ain't put enough water on that thing. So since I haven't been out here, I'm gonna go around it Again, make sure it's leaking out the bottom. Let's see. Hold up. This thing dry. Hold up, let me take it right here. See. It's really not leaking out the bottom enough for me, which lets me know that this plant is extremely dry. So I'm gonna do what I got to do. Give it some more water. Alright, that should do it. Now with this one I have to be careful because of the nest. But like I said, I'm not losing my plant. So I'm gonna be a little bit more careful. But I'm going to give this plant some water. Trust me, they know how to make these nests to where they be super duper deep. It ain't gonna bother nobody. Like I said, I ain't trying to mess with nature or whatever. But nature need to quit messing with me. Shoot. Forgive me, Lord. Ain't no water in there. Ain't no water in there. But I am going around the nest. I don't know what it is about these plants. That rainwater does a plant good. And I should have put these plants out in the rain, but I just didn't. So I'm not gonna come. Let's see, I'm gonna come over here. Good thing about it is that it's not a whole bunch of plant activity going on in this section. So my plant gonna be all right. I ain't tripping. But I'm gonna make sure he get enough water though. These flowers are so pretty. Alright, so it's leaking out the bottom. We good. Yeah. So that's it for this video, y'all. Just want to share that with y'all. I guess the birds like this area. You know what I'm saying? I'll be giving an update here and there about the situation. But what would y'all do? What would y'all do if birds keep coming to lay eggs? Does that mean I need to get me some chickens? Is this a sign? Do I need to get me some quails or something? Do I need to start raising me some birds? Because I have been learning. Thanks for watching, y'all.